Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel NOTV. It's really nice to see you again on the internet. I'm Rita, and in this video, there will be 3 sessions. First, we're having a review and outlook of the industrial memory market trends for DRAM modules and NAND flash. In the second part, we'll share with you a successful case of Innodisk storage AIoT solution applied in smart medical. And lastly, we'll update you with news and information about our latest projects and events. Now, we're looking on DRAM modules and IC price trend. DRAM prices are likely to be revised during the several succeeding quarters since the fourth quarter 2021, with the most intense pressure in demand shown during the off-season of first quarter 2022 due to 3 major factors. First, further risks of reduction is possible for the demand end from persistently chaotic status in the supply chain under incessant raging of the COVID-19 pandemic. Then second, untimely assemblage that has resulted in the current high level of DRAM inventory from excessive stocking during first half 2021 in fear of material shortage. And third, the environment that consists of sellers accelerating in capacity expansion under a low level of inventory. Next, onto the 2022 supply bit distribution forecast. For notebook, the gradually improving demand for business notebook recently has replaced educational notebooks from first half 2021. And the particular tendency is estimated in more apparent growth in DRAM content. Then, for mobile, a minor 3.5% growth is expected for 2022. However, there might be a possible reduction in smartphones that high uncertainties derive from the global pandemic, especially in Southeast Asia. And for server, the primary increment in the demand for server DRAM is dependent on the elevation of content per box, and the penetration rate of DDR5 will serve as the key to the influence of demand changes. Then, for consumer and graphics, the continuously weakening demand for TVs and other related electronics has reduced the intensity of inventory pull. Okay, now we're heading to the NAND market review. So, according to TrendForce's latest survey of the NAND flash market, the demand for consumer electronics such as notebooks, smartphones, and televisions has recently been below expectations, while the data center segment still exhibits strong demands. As the US and European countries are gradually lifting COVID-19 restrictions, clients in the enterprise server segment have been raising their procurement for NAND flash storage products. So, in particular, the demand for larger capacity or higher density enterprise SSDs has led to a further increase in NAND flash bit consumption. The quarter-on-quarter growth rate of the total NAND flash demand bits in the third quarter 2021 is estimated at 11%. On the supply side of NAND flash market, the total NAND flash wafer starts rose by 1.8% quarter-on-quarter for 2021 and are estimated to rise again by 3.3% quarter-on-quarter for the third quarter 2021. Next, onto NAND market outlook. Regarding the distribution of the total NAND flash supply bits by layer stacking technology, the share of over 100 layer is projected to rise to 36% in the third quarter 2021 and surpass 40% in the fourth quarter 2021. And by contrast, the share of 92 and 96 layer is projected to drop to almost 35% in the fourth quarter 2021. Turning to cell type, as TLC is now the mainstream of NAND flash market and continue to account for the majority share of the total supply bits during 2021, the supply and the corresponding price of SLC and MLC products has been limited. TrendForce forecasts that the upswing in price of SLC products will temporarily cease in the fourth quarter 2021 after persisting for several consecutive quarters. Okay, now for the second part, we're gonna share with you a successful case in smart medical application. In the medical industry, a client looking to find a better way to perform laboratory diagnosis has developed an end-to-end digital microscopy system that can significantly improve the entire analysis process as well as the image quality. Thanks to their innovative medical technology and Innodisk's DRAM memory, flash storage, and AIoT solutions, one medical technology company has successfully developed a breakthrough, high-resolution digital microscopy system with NI analytics. In the beginning, we found out the challenges the client has faced were: first, various disparate devices and components need to be connected while maintaining a high level of performance and stability. A large number of samples and specimens must be rapidly transmitted with no latencies. And imperceptible samples require high-resolution images at 100 times magnification. Also, high data capacity is needed for the microscopy system. So, in order to tackle those challenges, customized solutions Innodisk provided were: bring all the required performance and stability with Innodisk DDR4 eCCU DIMM, 2.5-inch SATA SSD 3T G6-P, and M.2 SSD 3TE6 series. Provide both needed speed and capacity as well as low latency. High-quality IC is reliable for industrial-grade and medical applications. Also, a fixed BOM guarantees product longevity and long-term supply, and support iSmart for disk monitoring and iData Guard to ward off failure should a power outage occur. So now you know. At Innodisk, we believe that any challenge can be overcome through cooperation, by maintaining a strong line of communication, all the way from inquiry to implementation. We ensure a tailor-made solution that fits your applications. We remain committed to innovation with our continual focus on hardware, firmware, and software integration. So should you have any requirements, don't hesitate to click the link below and get in touch with our consulting team. We will be pleased to advise you personally of information on sales and product inquiries. Okay, now for the last part, we're gonna introduce you our latest projects and events. So, moving on to the next level, Innodisk has released the 112-layer 3D TLC series, an evolutionary step up from the previous 96-layer 3D TLC series. It features higher capacity, up to 8 TB in U.2 SSD, and 4 TB for M.2 with competitive pricing, better performance, guarantee, endurance within 3,000 program erase cycles, longer longevity, high stability, and enhanced data security with both AES 256-bit encryption and TCG Opto 2.0. Also, iData Guard and iPower Guard are built in to provide leading compatibility and protection in critical power environments. The new series is ready for cutting-edge industrial SSD solutions for AIoT applications and industries in 5G, edge computing, deep learning, smart surveillance, and smart medical. Our 112-layer 3D TLC SSD series has various form factors including SSD, M.2 SSD, mSATA, and CFast. SATA series is available now. PCIe series will be ready in the fourth quarter 2021. And we will also like to welcome and encourage you to join our free online webinar. The topic will be Accelerate Performance, Productivity, and Efficiency with Innodisk Solutions. And the time will be on October 14th at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for the US and Canada. So if you're interested in learning how Innodisk industrial SSD to accelerate storage performance, increase productivity and efficiency, then you must sign up for our free webinar and hear how we are embracing the innovative technology in industrial SSD to create superior performance. we will discuss the flash SSD solutions that have been designed to meet the demanding requirements for AIoT, 5G, and edge computing in the connected world. So don't hesitate and go to the link below and register now. Thank you for watching this video. We wish you have a nice day. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and we will see you next time.